In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Canva. Icons are a simple but powerful way to make your designs look more professional, organized, and easy to understand. Whether you're creating a social media post, a presentation slide, or a flyer, icons can help you highlight key points without using a lot of text. So let's walk through exactly how to find and add icons in Canva, step by step. First, open your design in Canva. This could be anything: an Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, a presentation, or even a custom-sized document. Once your design is open on the canvas, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several options like templates, elements, text, and more. Next, click on the option labeled Elements. This is where Canva stores all kinds of visual assets you can use: shapes, graphics, photos, lines, stickers, and of course, icons. When you click on Elements, a new panel will open, showing you different categories and a search bar at the top. Now, to specifically find icons, move to the search bar inside the Elements panel. Click inside that search bar and type the word icon. As soon as you press enter, or wait a moment, Canva will load a variety of icon options for you. You'll see different styles, such as solid icons, outline icons, colorful icons, and more. If you're looking for a particular type of icon, you can refine your search by typing something more specific. For example, you might type phone icon, arrow icon, or social media icon. Canva will then display icons that match those keywords, which makes it much easier to find exactly what you need. When you see an icon you like, simply click on it once. Canva will automatically place that icon onto your design in the main editing area. From there, you can click and drag the corners to resize it, rotate it, or move it wherever you want on the page. You can also customize many icons by changing their colors to match your brand or design theme. Just select the icon on the canvas, look at the color options that appear in the top toolbar, and choose the colors you prefer.